Hey guys, it's Dayan Tanseco and welcome back for another vlog here in our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most trusted names in watch making, Seiko. Why Seiko watches are loved worldwide. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone looking for their first real watch, Seiko always has something solid to offer. Seiko started way back in 1881 in Tokyo, Japan. Over the decade, the branch became known for reliability, craftsmanship, and value. They produced the world's first quartz wristwatch, the iconic Astron, and they're the company behind the famous spring dive movement. So ngayon, lagi natin tinatanong, bakit nga ba sikat ang Seiko? Simple lang. Number one, reliable movement. Whether quartz or automatic Seiko movement are known to last. Second is affordable to premium range. My 5 Sports, my Prospects, my Presage, lahat may sariling identity. Durability, pang daily wear, pang outdoor, kahit pang diving. Design variety, from classic dress watch to tool watches, may model para sa lahat. These are some of the featured watches here in the vlog. Let's take a look at the Seiko 5 Sports. This is my chosen model. Ang ganda ng build, solid stainless steel case, reliable, and of course, that classic Seiko look. The dial, the bezel, the chronograph, bracelet strap, lume shots. This model comes with a 100 water resistance, hard flex crystal, automatic movement, day date, perfect for daily wear. Seiko is a Japanese maker of watches, clock, electronic devices, and semiconductors, founded in 1881 by Kintaro Hattori in Tokyo. Seiko introduced the world's first commercial quartz wristwatch in 1969. Seiko is widely known for its wristwatches. Seiko and Rolex are the only two watch companies considered to be vertical integrated. Seiko is able to design and develop all the components of a watch, as well as assemble, adjust, inspect, and ship them in-house. So, what are the pros and cons of buying a Seiko watches? Pros? Number one is excellent value for money. Number two, trusted movement. Number three, its versatility design. Number four, good resale and community support. Of course, there's always cons. Cons number one is hard flex instead of sapphire on some models. Two is some bracelets felt lightweight. Number three, price increase in recent years. At the end of the day, Seiko brand remains a brand you can trust. Whether you are a beginner or a long-time collectors, there's always something in their lineup worth checking out. Especially in these stores that I'm featuring right now, Time Bureau and Time Lux. These are stores that has been operated since 1950s here at Avenida Santa Cruz, Manila. These featured stores offering vintage watches and brands, and I hope that you're enjoying this video. Please hit like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your favorite Seiko watch. Hello everyone, it's Dayan again and welcome back for another vlog here in my YouTube channel. In today's video, andito tayo sa Carriedo, dito sa Quiapo, malapit sa Santa Cruz, Manila. And nakikita nyo ngayon is yung iconic building ng Prudential Bank. Papakita ko lang din, o diba? Sorry about that. Andito ako para magawa ng content. Diba? Ito is Carriedo Station. Pupunta tayo sa mga watch stores na madadaanan natin dito sa Carriedo Station. Diba, kung gusto nyo mag-visit, Time Bureau and Stellax watch stores. So, ito po yung mga featured stores ng mga watches na vintage ang tatalakayan natin for today. At andito po ako sa Carriedo Station. Pupunta na tayo doon sa mga stores na yon. Carriedo Station lang. So, dalawa kasi yung exit. Yung isa doon sa kabila, yung isa naman is dito. Kung saan yung mga watch stores. Ito guys, ang Santa Cruz, Manila. Kita nyo? Wala. May takip. Ayan. Palabas tayo. Punta tayo sa Watch Bureau. Ipapaayos kasi akong may ipapaayos akong watch. Kaya exit na. So pumunta ulit tayo dito para gumawa ng content. At dahil andito tayo sa Quiapo, syempre dadaanan na din natin ang mga bilihan ng relo dito sa Santa Cruz, dito sa Carriedo. Yan. Galing tayo magpa-inject ng hormones. Magbibigay na din ako ng update sa inyo kung halimbawa gusto nyo pumunta dito, pwede kayo magmotor. Ayan yung mga parking na motor. So guys, ang galing tayo dun sa taas, dyan sa Carriedo. Ngayon pupunta tayo doon sa watch store. I think ang una dito is yung Stellax. So yun yung isang pupuntahan natin. Guys, dito din, kung halimbawa gusto nyo magpagawa ng salamin, meron din dito. Actually, naglipaan na nga dito. Mas marami nga yung mga pagawaan ng salamin kaysa sa mga watch stores. Itong unang pupuntahan natin, Time Bureau. Yan. Ang katapat niya is itong Emerald Circle ng Avenida. Diba? Yan. Ipapaayos kasi ako. Kaya dito na din tayo pumunta. Ah, hello po ate. Yan, Seiko Time Bureau. Pasok tayo. May papagawa lang kasi pagawa lang akong hello, hi madam. May papagawa lang po ako.
Wala yung technician?
Wala po. Bali yung relo, yung battery. Oo.
Papabattery ka.
Pwede ba? Sige.
Pero pa yung paggawa na.
Okay. Battery lang naman, replace.
Pwede battery. Pakita mo na.
Sige po. Ano po ba ang payment dito, ma'am?
Cash.
Cash lang. Halimbawa, bibili po ng relo, cash din. Wala po kayong card. Wala po kayong QR code. Cash lang. Okay. Ayan. Hello po, good afternoon po. Battery replacement lang po. Magkano po kaya? Ayan po.
Wala ko pang sarado.
Wala po kayong pang sarado. If ever po, kailan po kaya pwedeng magpagawa dito?
Ano kung hindi.
Kailan po kaya pa yung technician ninyo? Kailan po siya? Hindi nyo pa po alam. Salamat po, sir. Magtanong na lang tayo dito kay madam. Ma'am, kailan po kaya magiging available yung technician po ninyo?
May sakit po siya.
May sakit siya.
Hindi siya makapapasok.
If ever po ba, mayroon kaya akong number na pwedeng tawagan? Wala din. Pupunta na lang talaga. Kailan po siya may sakit?
Isang buwan na.
Mag-iisang buwan na?
Pa rin po ang pasok.
Ito lang po ba yung watch
Meron pa
store
dyan.
nyo?
Ito banda.
Okay.
Diretso.
Ayan. Ma'am, pwede po bang i-feature? Ayan. May Facebook page po ba kayo, ma'am? Wala. Talagang pupunta talaga dito. Ayan. Ito yung mga Seiko dito. So, Time Bureau. Ayan. Ayan. Nasa may highway lang siya ng Santa Cruz. Mabait ni ate kasi nga, sabi ko sa kanya, pwede bang ipakita itong mga nandito. Okay, so may nagtanong kasi dito sa limited edition ng Street Fighter. Yung Street Fighter, yung may nag-inquire, ano yan? 27,990. Dalawa siya, yung yellow or gold yung strap, tapos golden yung kanyang bezel at red naman yung dial. Gusto ko sanang i-zoom. Diba? Try natin mag-zoom.